guys, welcome back. I'm Donna Rucco and you're on the list. Remember We Are the World? Well, more than 50 Oklahoma artists are putting together their own version. Randy Lane has that story and other top stories making the list around Tulsa.
At number 1, Okie Aid. Stillwater's Red Dirt Rangers rounded up 50 Oklahoma musicians to record the song Stand, Let Your Voice Be Heard.
All in one room together with their headphones on, singing together. It was a really neat sight to see.
Notable artists on the track, Grammy-nominated John Fulbright,
laying down in his bed,
Parker Millsap, and Tulsa native Jesse Aycock. The track goes live on iTunes this week, and sales helped the Red Dirt Relief Fund, a charity the band started to help musicians affected by natural disasters or medical emergencies. At number 2, the Wes Anderson Experience. The Philbrook is hosting an event Thursday night celebrating the films, style, and philosophy of filmmaker Wes Anderson. He's best known for Rushmore, The Royal Tenenbaums, and most recently, the Grand Budapest Hotel.
Take your hands off my lobby boy!
You'll see clips from other films and see next to each other how Wes Anderson got his ideas.
The event features a costume contest. Can't decide which character to go as? Our list of ideas: Richie Tenenbaum, Scoutmaster Randy Ward,
Jiminy Cricket, he flew the coop.
or maybe Max Fisher.
These are OR scrubs.
Oh, are they?
At number 3, Some Like It Hot. Like 2,000 Degrees, if you're a student at the Tulsa Glassblowing School,
I always keep returning.
Cedric Mitchell took a glassblowing class as a joke and is now an instructor majoring in art.
After I made my first flower, just like how these guys did, nothing was the same after that.
The organization's biggest fundraiser, called Some Like It Hot, is set for Thursday at the Mayo Hotel. Now you're caught up and clued in around Tulsa, I'm Randy Lane.